Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist, Kate McKenna.
Temperatures very mild this evening, almost warm still in some spots. We're at 69 degrees right now in Muscle Shoals, 63 in Scottsboro, 62 in Decatur, 64 in Huntsville. The WAAY 31 storm tracker early warning radar network. It's a quiet picture at each one of our 3 radars, and I really think that for the most part tomorrow it's going to stay that way. Look at how things go the rest of tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures continuing to fall. Some spots are already in the lower 60s, and that's about as cool as it's going to get. And I do think that some outlying areas may be dropping into the upper 50s, but on a widespread scale, about 60 degrees is what I've got for your forecast low. And we'll have a few clouds by sunrise tomorrow. It's not totally overcast all day long as we go through the rest of tonight into tomorrow morning. See those passing clouds. 7 o'clock, notice the clouds that are moving in here from the southwest, but again, it is not totally overcast even through the afternoon by 2 o'clock. There is the chance for an isolated shower or storm. Blink and you'll miss it there, because by 6 o'clock, most of that activity will have faded with the loss of daytime heating. Then we turn our attention to this line of storms coming in from the northwest. And you'll see this line here by 4 o'clock Sunday morning. It's not very impressive. There's not a lot of rain behind the leading edge here. And as we go past 4 a.m., now all the way to 7 o'clock, this has sped up a little bit since the last time we looked at this data earlier this evening, but it's doing the same thing, and that's fading right over Sand Mountain. Past 7 a.m., we still see that chance in some data sources for a couple of showers and storms that develop through the afternoon. This data source is showing that development of cloud cover over our eastern counties with the higher elevation, but I think that on a widespread scale, yet again, we're only going to see isolated activity, not widespread rain. So by 7 o'clock, Sunday evening, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, we are really starting to quiet back down. Tomorrow looks like this, 7 o'clock all the way to 7 o'clock. So that 12-hour chunk of the day right in between, there's that 20% chance for a shower or a storm, and that's about it. Our highs reaching the lower 80s. I show you this to show you that that line of storms that's moving through North Alabama early Sunday, well, it's going to be much stronger farther toward the northwest. There is an outlined risk for severe weather, but you can see that just off to the northwest, that's only a level 1 out of 5 on the risk scale. So isolated strong to severe storms not impossible just outside of our area, but we're not expecting any outlined risk for severe weather within North Alabama. And the same thing goes at this point in time for the storms that we've got in our forecast next week. I'm just going to play this out for you, and you'll see showers and storms off and on here. Generally speaking, this is going to be a very unsettled pattern for us, and I don't see any big signs for severe weather currently. We'll be watching that for you this time of year. We have to. 7-day forecast shows that consistent chance for rain here, a 30 to 40% chance once we get past Sunday. Highs stay mainly in the 80s, lows stay very mild in the low to mid 60s.